been called that too. A Vaillant boiler. The pressure's on 1.9. It's not budging from there, and the water is just trickling through. If you look at the back, the pressure's on 0. This may be saying 1.9. One of these is not right. So, to figure out what's wrong with it, watch the next episode of Birmingham Boiler Fix. So what we're going to do, we're going to rinse that out. Because I don't have one on me, I'm going to have to rinse this out and hopefully that'll do the job. Otherwise we're going to have to see how dirty it look how black it is. Just hold it to the side. Okay. No, the black must come out. So, hopefully, put it down there. So what we've done here is we're taking the clip off it and we're gonna open that up. And if I've blown through that, it's clogged up, yeah? You can see here. So clogged up, that's what the pressure gauge is not filling up. So I got myself a pin. I'm going to start it. So what we're going to do is that's it. Let's clear it up. And that's what we had to do. Let's see if we'll test it out now. Yeah, perfect. All sorted. Good. Let me put this in. Yeah. So guys, sorted the boiler out as Vaillant. The pressure gauge was faulty, giving F75. So sorted. So Birmingham Boiler Fix. If your boiler is broken down, give us a call. Okay. Hi guys, just done a boiler repair for these guys, and he just wants to give me a little review.
Yeah, best service ever. It was very quick. Fixed it. Everything's working. I'm happy with everything.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to the second video, and this one we're working on the Vaillant again, and it's exactly the same problem as the previous one. We're going to change the water pressure switch on this because it's giving F75 and unclog the manual pressure gauge. If you like the film, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can learn from me.
No, just general topics. Is it a filter? Is it a this? Is it what? I think I watched you last night at YouTube. And
What
then
did
I
you?
emailed you.
1 second, I'll put you in there. There you go. So,
Like any cup of tea?
no pointing. Think you could yoga?
Should I make one?
Okay, that's fine. Sorry?
Sorry. I will follow. Would you like a cup of tea?
No, no, I'm fine. Thank you. Sorted, so we can find out. So it's Birmingham Boiler Fix. Hello, Uncle, yours is done here?
I'll give you a ring. But normally what was happening was that whenever this was happening, a couple of 3-4 times I will press this button
Yeah.
and make an effort, and then ultimately it will start.
Yeah. Is that F75?
No, both even F27, the same thing I did.
It's a bit different. You know when you got no water in this, you know when the pressure's down, it was still pointing there.
Yeah.
Right, because that was clogged up, this is clogged up. You know your pressure gauge, this one. Yeah, it was giving different readings.
Okay.
This was on there and you was thinking, wait, there's loads of water in it, but it was empty. And then you filled it up and then you filled it up too much. But that was still there.
Yeah, it won't. It was not giving the proper reading. Yeah.
So I think you must have topped it up too many times, too high, and there's a part inside there just gone.
Okay, I saw. Got
Now,
it. Because I was noticing it that the pressure, the needle is not in the middle, but here it will show 1.7 and 1.8.
So hopefully that's working now, and that should. Now you won't have any. Now F27. Okay, one second then. Let's see. Hi guys, I've just repaired the Vaillant boiler for this gentleman here, and he's quite happy. And hopefully he's gonna give. Well, he wants to give me. He's happy to give me a review. And here you go, sir.
Oh, hello there. My name is Asif. Yeah, I asked Jahangir this morning to help us, and he has been wonderful, very pleasant to talk to, and knew what he was doing and done the job very quickly, and we are very pleased about it. And I'll strongly recommend, in fact, I will use him again and again whenever there is a problem. And I'm going to tell the whole street about it.
That is the best review I've had. Thank you so much. Wow. That's brilliant. Thank you.